Have you lost your focus? Have you ever tried to focus intently on a task, determined to finally finish what you've started, only to find your mind drifting away within minutes? Maybe you've blamed yourself, thinking you're simply not disciplined enough or inherently unable to concentrate. But let me tell you, your focus hasn't just slipped away by accident. It's been systematically stolen from you, day after day, moment after moment. In Johann Hari's groundbreaking book, Stolen Focus, he shines a piercing light on a global crisis that is quietly sabotaging our lives. Our rapidly deteriorating ability to sustain deep, meaningful attention. This isn't about personal weaknesses or individual shortcomings. It's about powerful external forces that have been deliberately engineered to hijack your mind and distract you from the tasks and goals that genuinely matter. The collapse of our attention span. Our collective attention span isn't merely shrinking, it's collapsing at an alarming pace. Reflect honestly on your typical workday. How many times do you glance at your phone, refresh your inbox, or impulsively click a notification? Research shows the average office worker is interrupted by emails or messages every 6 minutes. Each interruption requires roughly 23 minutes to fully recover your focus, creating an endless cycle of partial attention and diminished productivity. Young people today struggle significantly more than previous generations, often unable to stay focused beyond a handful of minutes without succumbing to digital distractions. Even toddlers have begun to seek endless stimulation from screens, conditioning their brains for constant distraction from an incredibly young age. How exactly did we reach this critical point? Tech giants design their platforms explicitly to maximize profit, not to boost your happiness or productivity. Their goal is simple yet insidious: to capture, retain, and monetize every single second of your attention. Algorithms meticulously study your behavior, predicting exactly how to distract and engage you in a continuous loop of scrolling, likes, comments, notifications, and impulsive interactions. Every interruption doesn't just waste your time, it actively drains your mental and emotional resources, leaving you exhausted, anxious, less creative, and significantly less capable of engaging in deep, meaningful tasks. Take a sincere moment right now. When was the last time you felt truly absorbed, completely uninterrupted, and deeply focused on something important? How technology hijacks your brain. Hari exposes precisely how platforms like social media, messaging apps, and news sites are deliberately engineered to capture and retain your attention. Each notification, like, comment, or message you receive triggers a tiny burst of dopamine, the pleasure hormone within your brain. This creates a powerful addiction loop, continually urging you to seek out these quick, easy rewards. Imagine this scenario vividly. You're trying to read an important article or finish a critical work assignment. Suddenly, your phone vibrates. Without even thinking, you instinctively pick it up, breaking your concentration. You spend the next several minutes scrolling, liking, responding, completely losing track of your original goal. The initial deep connection to your task is now fractured, and rebuilding that connection takes substantial mental effort. Think about how much more productive, fulfilled, and genuinely happy you could become if these constant interruptions were drastically reduced or entirely removed. But technology alone isn't the full picture. There's another equally powerful, hidden factor shaping your distracted life. The hidden cost of modern living. Today's fast-paced, demanding lifestyle is quietly eroding your ability to focus. Chronic stress from endless deadlines, lack of quality sleep, poor dietary habits, and even air pollution can significantly impair your cognitive functions and focus. Imagine starting your day already exhausted after a night of fragmented sleep, rushing through traffic while multitasking emails and calls. Arriving at work, you're immediately bombarded by urgent tasks and constant demands. By noon, your brain is overwhelmed, leaving you feeling drained and incapable of concentrating deeply on anything meaningful. This relentless lifestyle doesn't just hinder your immediate productivity, it slowly damages your mental clarity, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. Ask yourself honestly, are the demands of your daily life enabling your focus or steadily sabotaging it? Reclaiming your focus. Thankfully, reclaiming your attention is possible, and it begins with awareness. Start by identifying your primary distractions and recognize the habits and triggers fueling them. Consider implementing simple but powerful changes, such as scheduled digital detoxes, designated work blocks without notifications, and intentional breaks for rest and rejuvenation. Additionally, prioritize your health by adopting better sleep practices, regular physical activity, and mindful eating. Each healthy habit enhances your cognitive function and resilience, providing the foundation you need for sustained attention. Imagine how empowering it feels to take control of your environment and actively protect your focus. Imagine the peace, productivity, and joy you could reclaim. Building a community of focus. Beyond individual actions, we must also advocate for systemic changes. Demand workplaces that respect your right to disconnect. Support policies and technologies designed to genuinely enhance human well-being rather than exploit attention. Together, we can build communities that encourage deep focus and meaningful engagement. Share these ideas with your friends, family, and colleagues. Start conversations that ignite change. Your focus is precious and powerful. It's time to reclaim it. Commit today. Choose one specific change you will make right now to reclaim your stolen focus. Share your commitment and inspire others to join this essential journey toward a more attentive, purposeful life.